Okay, so today we're going to learn about the tie. We're going to learn about how to write in the counting for song number 60 and 61, which is Alouette. So, in your Essential Elements Book 1, at the top of page 14, it goes over what a tie is, right? So a tie basically means you add two notes together. So if you have, like here, two quarter notes, one beat plus one beat, 1 plus 1 is 2, so that would be 2 beats. If you have, like here, a half note and a ta, like a half note and a quarter note, 2 beats plus 1 beat is 3 beats. You'd hold that note for 3 beats. And it comes up a lot more in some of the harder band arrangements that we do. And so you'll quite often see, like at the end of a piece or something like that for a really long note, there'll be something like this where you'll have 4 plus 4, 4 tied to 4, so 4 plus 4 is 8. So you'd hold a note for like 8 beats or something like that. Or maybe something like this where you have a dotted half note. So a dotted half note's 3 beats, so 3 beats plus 3 beats plus a quarter note. So dotted half note for 3 beats, dotted half note for 3 beats, quarter note. So 3 plus 3 plus 1 is 7 beats. Dotted half note here, 3 beats plus a quarter note, 1 beat, 3 plus 1 is 4. So you'll see it whenever you want to extend a note, basically. So how you would write in the counting for song 60, which is Alouette, is as follows. So,
any staff who signed up for the SDL survey, we're going to start in about 5 minutes in the back office where Julia usually works.
So it's 4/4 time. So that means that beat 1 will be on beat 1 because there's no pickup. So you'd write in the counting like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's important that beat 3 and beat 4 line up. So a half note's 2 beats, beat 1 and 2 plus 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the next bar is 2 half notes. So you'd have 1, 2, 3, 4. So the counting would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then each one of those quarter notes in bar 3 is going to be a beat. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this would be the counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4/4 time means the quarter note gets a beat and 4 beats in every bar. So the rhythm for Alouette would be this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the rest on beat 4. And then, of course, to learn the song, step 1 is rhythm. Step 2 would be saying the note names. So for flute, E flat, F, G, G, so on and so forth. Next step would be the fingering. So I would go through on whatever my instrument, and I would go E flat, F, G, G, or trumpet or clarinet. And then the final step would be to play. So here's what it sounds like. And the counting for song 61, which is actually the same song, would be the same. So a dotted half note is just another way of writing 3 beats. And sometimes in many languages there's more than one way to say the same thing. So I'll write in the counting, the same things are important. You need to make sure that the beginning of every bar is beat 1. And since it's 4/4 time, the end of every bar is beat 4, and you need to make sure that the numbers line up with the notes. So half notes get 2 beats, dotted half notes get 3, and quarter notes get 1. So this would be the counting for song 61. So it's the same idea, just slightly different. Because instead of ties, it's dotted half notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, ah. And that is how you do the dotted half notes. You're now in my video, Mrs. Callis, so you have made a cameo, you might as well wave. All right.